Hi, this is Lowell here, and this will be my second vlog in the 21-day vlogging challenge. My first vlog last night, I played around a bit on recording, doing a short recording on my iPhone, and then playing around with how to transfer that onto a YouTube channel, and from there embed the YouTube clip onto my blog post. So this evening I thought I'd try and play with some screen capture video. I'm using a screen capture video called Screencast-O-Matic to do this recording this evening. But in doing so, I thought I'd just use the opportunity in playing with it to also maybe bring something useful to somebody out there who may stumble across this post of mine. And that was, I learned for the first time, there's a bit of a discrepancy between taking pictures on an iPhone and then importing those pictures onto the Windows platform. You might find, well, you will find that in doing so, depending on the orientation in which you hold the iPhone, they may come out in a 90-degree or even 180-degree orientation on Windows. So obviously, the first thing I did was I jumped onto Google to look for a solution and was interested to learn that this problem has existed for some time already, and people have been writing about this from way back in 2012 already. But yeah, so I went ahead and looked what I could find on Google, and this the first one I want to mention is I found a link or a site called iPhone Photography School, and I will paste these links below the video clip as well for anybody to click on and have a look and read through for themselves. But this first one is, as I say, from the iPhone Photography School site, and the article is Why Your iPhone Photos Are Upside Down and How to Fix That, posted by Emil Pakaklis. I hope I've got the pronunciation of his name and surname right there. I'll just read his first paragraph here. If you're a Windows user, you've probably noticed that some of your iPhone photos and videos are upside down when you save them to your computer. Even if you never leave the Apple ecosystem, your photos will usually be upside down when you email them to friends who have the Windows operating system. In this article, you will discover why your iPhone photos can appear upside down and how to fix this problem. It carries on to say most people first noticed this issue when iOS 5 was released. This was the first time that you could take a photo using the volume up button. This is an awesome feature and I use it all the time. The only problem is that when you hold your camera with the volume buttons pointing up, your photos will be upside down on most Windows machines. He then goes ahead to talk a little bit about that discrepancy and how to solve the problem. I went ahead then and just had a look to see what else I could find on Google. I came across another article by a guy called Mark O'Neill. He poses the question, are your iPhone photos refusing to rotate in Windows Explorer? Here is the solution. I'll just read his first few paragraphs as well. He says, I love my iPhone, but there are a couple of pet peeves that I have had with it from day one. One of them was something which I managed to miraculously solve this morning, which was the strange enigma of iPhone photos refusing to turn around the right way when transferred to the PC and viewed with the default photo viewer in Windows Explorer. If you have an iPhone and a Windows PC, I'm sure you've encountered the same problem. You've connected your phone to the computer, transferred your photos over to a folder on the PC, and then you've started to rotate the ones which are the wrong way around, like so. But when you try to rotate them around the right way and save them, you receive an error message like this, and he mentions the error message. And then he goes on to obviously tell us a little bit more about his irritation there. And then he he does mention the solution that he found. He says, after scouring web pages and forums on the issue, I came across a very simple and straightforward program called JPEG Lossless Rotator, which works instantly and perfectly to turn those photos around any way you want them. It integrates into your Windows Explorer right-click menu to make things as easy and as fast as possible. And then he obviously gives a link to where you find this JPEG Lossless Rotator, and I'll just open that tab there. It's by a company called, is it AnyStudio? The free simple software for rotating your photos into the right orientation. And once again, obviously this is free to download. As you can see over here, you can just click on which option you'd like to use. I did try it myself last night when I first stumbled across this issue between Apple and Windows, and I can also say that it's a lovely little application, and I would encourage you to download it if you're having the same frustration. Well, that's what I wanted to share with you in this particular vlog. I hope you found this useful, and I will catch you in the next one.